Hi guys, welcome to WORX product introduction. My name is Scott, I'm your WORX specialist. Today I'm here to introduce you the WORX 550 watts cotton jigsaw WX477. This powerful jigsaw features orbiter function for improved cutting efficiency for cutting on various materials such as wood, metal and PVC pipe. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section. Welcome to WORX product unboxing session. So the right top is a cotton jigsaw, and we do provide 3 different cutting blades, which is aluminium blade, steel blade, and timber blade. And this is the Allen key. Last, we have the product manual and warranty card. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to give me a like and share this video.